Okay, been removing all the body bumpers. Got most of them off, a couple of them snapped. But for the majority, they all came out. These guys are tight still, so I'm just putting some penetrating oil on it, so hopefully it loosens them up. But the actual lower bumper has been removed off of there. Next, I'm going to take out these guys. Just push this down, it's spring loaded, turn it, should come out. That looks pretty clean. Gonna make sure to jam a rag up in here to make sure nothing gets in there. Already unhooked the cotter pins below, and there's that out. Last thing I have to disconnect is the e-brake line from the body. Then I should be able to start lifting the body off of the frame. Looks like I have to disconnect it here, take both ends off, and then there's one more bolt up there I'll probably have to take off. See how it goes. Pieces at the end. There's a little pin there to pop out. And then pop this out and that should come off. Pins out. Alright, now the pin's out. There was a clip I pulled off first. Now, this side's free. And I just have to do that side and the piece that connects up to the top of the axle. I don't know if you can see that. Poor lighting. Just starting to lift the body up now. There's a couple things I missed. The accelerator cable I forgot to disconnect, so I'm about to do that. But I've got the back end up on the jack. You can see it's probably lifted several inches off right now. Finish disconnecting a few things and then get the front lifted up. I want to be able to roll the chassis in and out to work on it. So I've got to make something that sticks out beyond the tires, that way I can roll it in and out. It's all lifted up now. Just have to free up the brakes, I think, in the back. And I should be able to roll it forward. Sketchy or smart? is how I'm getting all the stones and rust and everything out of the chassis. Sticking a hose, working it down to the lowest spot here, and just kind of picking away at it. It's pulling out stones and rust. I want to make sure it's nice and bone dry in there.